Hello children, today I am going to teach you a quick scenery with the oil pastel colors and you have to take cotton. Okay, see how many colors you have to take. You have to take white, sky blue and dark blue. Okay, 3 colors you have to take it. In your color box maybe 3 blue will be there. You have to identify which one is the dark one and middle one. Okay. Now if your white is dirty, so what you have to do, see, you have to take the cotton and rub it properly with the white. See, the dust automatically it will become out. See, it's clean now. I am doing with my one hand, so it will be not coming properly. Wait. See, now it is clean. Okay, now see what you have to do. You have to keep your sheet in the landscape and from the right side you have to rub white first. You can able to see the white color where I have rubbed. Okay, you have rubbed the white. Then you have to take sky blue color and near the white you have to rub it. Okay, next you have to take middle blue color and in the sky blue you have to rub the middle blue color. Then you have to take dark blue and outer of the outer of the sheet you have to do that. Now see 4 colors are there: white, sky blue, middle blue and dark blue. Okay, now you have to take the fresh cotton. I taken the fresh cotton. See, from the back, from the blue you have to mix it. Okay, for the white you have to take the fresh cotton. Don't rub with the blue, otherwise it will be converted into blue. Okay, now see children, this type of lines it is coming now. What you have to do, see, again very in the sleeping direction you have to color. Okay, again the sky blue in the sleeping direction. Now again rub it with the same cotton that you have used previous, and this time you have to go back side also. Okay, see children, if you want to do more color you can do it. Okay, at the background you can do little white also to mix the color. Now you have to take black and see, from here you have to make straight line. Okay, and that line should be bold. In this you have to make birds. See, circle from the here starting should be like curve, the back and end. Okay, now see, circle from the starting it should be like going with this, and then curve and then like this and fill it. See, like this you have to make 3-4, some direction in the right face or left face you can make it. Again I am showing you circle, curve, curve, and in the end it's coming V. Okay, then fill it. like this. Okay, see, like this I have drawn small also. Okay, and in the background like birds you are drawing now, like this you can make. See, it will become like birds are sitting and some birds are flying. It's like a evening scene. Okay children, if you have any doubt you can comment down in the comment box, or if you like it please press the like button and subscribe the channel also. Okay children, thank you.